Welcome everyone, this is James Castillo, your host for the Digital Revolution Show. And we talk about things that you need to be successful in the digital age, in the age of information technology. And AI is the sign that we are right at the heart. We are right in the middle of this digital revolution. And to be successful, you need the right tools, the knowledge and skills to thrive in this new age. And today I'm going to share to you how you can maximize your tools without spending a lot of money. And one of the things that can quickly improve your workflow, save time, because as they say, time is gold. And to do that, you're going to need a computer that is fast and efficient and dependable. And I do a lot of editing on my computer, and now it's come to a point where the installed memory, the RAM, random access memory, is not enough. Video equipment footage has increased, the quality has increased, but at the same time there's an added requirement as far as processing power and memory capacity. And so I just ordered around 9 a.m. this morning from Amazon the RAM upgrade for this laptop. Now there's a process to this, and I'm going to walk you through how to go about doing this. I don't know if you have the same model as I have, assuming it's a different computer, but the process will be similar, right? So the first thing is getting inside this computer. And this computer I'm working with today is a HP NVM laptop model 17m-cg0013dx. Every computer is going to be different. Every model is going to be different. And so you kind of have to figure out how each computer is built. So the tools that you're going to need, some of the basic tools, and I'm glad I was able to use the tools that I have, although some of it might not be the optimal one, but these are the things that I use to be able to get into here. All right, so I needed to remove the coverings here and then just stick it over here for now, as well as the other part, the other side. I removed it here and then I just stuck it here. And to do that, you kind of need a flathead screwdriver, something like this, to I don't know, plow it open or something. And then a Phillips to remove the screws, right? And then this particular model has kind of like they call this, I think it's labeled a T bit. So this one is T6. I don't know if a T5 might do a better job, but I'm glad a T6 was just able to get this tiny screw out of the way. So this model has two in the front, and you know, like the little star-shaped tool bit was able to do the trick. But having the right set of tools, it helps before you undertake something like this. And then another thing, I used the flathead screwdriver initially to pry open the little locking tabs in this computer. Eventually I had to go back and use a discarded credit card or membership card, from this case from Costco. You just kind of need this tool to kind of get through to the hinges to snap it open, you know, without breaking your laptop, and to be able to do it in the first place. So I removed the screws again that locked it in place while I was waiting for Amazon to deliver my new RAM. And you need to get in here to make sure that you know how to remove it and you know exactly what model the RAM it has. So when you go to Amazon, you can look for the exact thing. So let's do that. So now I have all the screws removed. I'm going to use this tool to prop it open. So you just kind of like look for an opening, and then slowly kind of like go through. Don't push it though, you know. Work your way through in all the hinges on the side, and it'll pop open. Just takes kind of some skill to do it, but you'll figure it out. So you don't need to buy like a prying tool. Let's find like an old credit card or membership card that you have. There you go. So let's set this aside and make sure you don't have too much static. I guess I could touch the wall. If you don't walk around, static builds up if you have like carpet and you walk too much, and you know you've been doing a lot of work the other day, but it's Sunday and you know haven't really been moving a lot. So now for this particular laptop, this is what it looks like, and this is the covering for the RAM. So you kind of have, there's like little tabs here towards the bottom of this cover, and so you kind of like just have to pull it out straight to expose the RAM modules like that. And it originally came with 2 RAM modules, so you just have to slide the little holders in place for each one. And then this one came with 4 gigabytes each. So this currently has 8 gigs of RAM. 8 gigs used to be a lot, but now it's not so much, depending on your workflow, of course. Video editing, a lot of graphics work will require a lot of RAM. So now I look at it. This one is 4 gigabytes, one RX 16 PC4-3200AA-SC0-11. So, you know, you kind of have to figure out, you know, what you're looking for, but most of the RAM that I used to work before, I kind of know the pattern of the model. So I search in Amazon PC4-3200AA, and, you know, make sure it looks, the size, the pin, the placement looks similar. And so I found one. It's like by Crucial 216 to what did I order? Almost forgot. Let's see. So I actually ordered a 32 gigabytes in total, 2 16 gigs each, so for each slot. And so we'll see, this system should be able to handle 32 gigabytes. 64 might be, or 64 might be a little bit too much. So 16 is you know, twice the capacitive RAM that I had, and so hopefully this will, no, actually not 16, it's like 4 times, whatever, it's a lot, right? From 8 to gigs, to 4 gigs. Now I have 2 16 gigs, so now that gives me a total of 32. So that's a big upgrade, and we should see if it's compatible, which I'm hoping it will be. Otherwise I'll have to return it. And it's amazing with Amazon now. It's like, oof, I ordered it at 11, it got here, I ordered it around 10, got here around 11. Not bad on a Sunday. And so, and you know, when you go buy these things, you have to be careful. You look at like reviews and, you know, the brand, Amazon's recommendation. Of course, you can always return it, assuming it's a bad product, but you don't want to waste your time. So better have you know, the right item the first time. And this one, actually, it cost me like $67 with taxes. It came out around $70. So not bad for a big upgrade. So now we'll take out the other module right here, and then this is the package that came in. from Amazon pretty quick. So, Amazon, this wasn't possible before, but now it is. And, it's a good thing for consumers. And Amazon does have a lot of emphasis on serving their customers. And so, it came with a little paper packaging, sustainable, not using one of those plastic bubble wraps that cannot be recycled or decompose, and it just ends up floating around, ending up in the ocean or wherever in your communities, causing pollution, trash. And so I think this is one of the new changes that Amazon has pushed with their commitment to sustainability. So here's the product right here. 2 modules, 32 total gigabytes, Crucial by Micron. Notebook, DDR4, 3200, SODIMM. So we'll see if this is the right item that we ordered. Open it like this. Here, be careful, don't touch any of the metal parts, just try to hold it by the edges so you don't introduce static and destroy your RAM module. And then put it in a certain way according to how the pins are arranged, with a little groove in the middle. So let's put the first one in, and then let's get the second one. So that was perfect, just slid right in, snap into place. So you kind of put it in an angle, and then press it down on the other side until it matches into place, and that's it. So now for the big test. Now I'm going to put this the old one back into the put into the packaging that the new one came in. I'm going to put the cover back in place, and this one's a little bit tricky, so I'm hoping, there you go. So you just kind of set it in one side and then do the top one. And I'm not going to put the cover back in just yet. I want to make sure that my computer actually boots up and it could use this memory module. So let's flip it over, and then okay, and then we'll see if this turns on. So the power button for this laptop is around here. The keyboard this side is a little funky, but I'll just connect an external keyboard for that. So now let's see if this computer actually turns on. So there's a light in here which tells me that it is booting up. Now we see the HP logo. And if it boots up, it might require us to say, oh, new memory installed or something. But I'm hoping this will work, so I can edit a lot of episodes on this show that I'm working on. Good sign. Look at that. There you go. Okay, without logging in, because I don't have keyboard, and keyboard's funky over here. I'm assuming that is a success. So there you go. This worked. Having the right tools, the right replacement part, which is always tricky. Sometimes you might not get it right, but it improves the performance of my computer. So that's it, guys. Until our next blog on the digital revolution. See you next time. Bye.